Hi everyone, welcome back to Jay Bea Lennux channel and thank you for following my page. So we have made some homemade pho today, and yes, we did it all on our own. I was going to do the whole walkthrough process, but this is a mukbang and we are a whole family eating right now. They have wished to remain off of camera, but we do have the full table completely filled, and the whole pot is completely, the juices are all gone and we are down to just meat. So we have fresh shrimp, we have fresh crab, we have fresh salmon diced up into there, we have our green onion, we have our bean sprouts, we have our fresh sliced jalapeno. Oh my gosh, it's just delicious. So what we have used a rice noodle, that was already pre-made, and so each one of us got our own portion for each one of our bowls, and for our own pho, for our pho soup, I had used a chicken base, I had used Old Bay seasoning, I used some garlic, and I had used a little bit of parsley and a couple other seasonings. And meanwhile, you just gotta wing it until you get it right. So I should have had it on camera, but we did get it right. Here is how my bowl looks right now. And this is what all of our bowls look right now. Meanwhile, there's the whole pot. It's almost gone, but there's a lot of meat in there. Very healthy, very scrumptious. We are ready to chow down and tear it up. Yes. So this was at home, and I hope you enjoy yourselves.